All right, we've told you all about Kerala, we've told you all about Karnataka. Let's now focus on Uttar Pradesh. Of the 80 seats, 8 seats are polling today in Uttar Pradesh. Now, the BJP of these 8 seats had 7th BSP won, which was Amroha. You had Danish Ali there, who's now switched over to the Congress. So this makes for a very interesting battle in Amroha. But besides that, seats like Mathura, like Meerut, where you've got Arun Govil, who's the famed actor who's played Lord Ram in Ramayan. He's been fielded for the first time by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mahesh Sharma from Gautam Budh Nagar, which is Noida, also in this particular phase. His fate is being sealed as we speak. We'll talk about the voter turnout also in Noida, which has been rather poor. Hema Malini, actor, politician from Mathura, seeking her 3rd term as Member of Parliament from the holy town of Mathura. So these are some of the faces that you need to know about in Uttar Pradesh. Let's take this across now to Pooja Shali. She's joining us live from Meerut, getting us a roundup of all that you need to know from Uttar Pradesh. Pooja, good evening. It's over to you.
Akshata, thank you very much. And I can tell you that it's been quite a theatric development really specifically for Uttar Pradesh. And I would say because I'm in Meerut, Hapur constituency, it has been interesting because when we started in the morning, it was about 10 to 12%. I barely saw crowds at the polling booth, but then it picked up. And how? I can now tell you, according to latest information coming in, that at about 5 p.m., the latest update I have according to my sources, 56.57% of voter turnout, out of which it's been a very close one with regard to men and women. It's been almost a similar sort of a margin, but 57% almost as it looks like, but because we'll wait for another 1 hour. So this looks like very similar to how it was the previous one phase as well, which was about 60%. So Uttar Pradesh is just over 50% of confirmation of the participation that's coming in. But what a day it has been. 88 seats that go to polls today, 8 seats out of Uttar Pradesh, which anyway send about 80 Lok Sabha members of parliament. Most crucial, why was it important for Meerut, for Aligarh, for Mathura? BJP has been able to maintain a strong bastion here, which also means that a visible large Muslim population in these areas have been voting earlier also for BJP candidates. And today also I can tell you that while there was no Muslim candidate, a prominent one from the Alliance or the BJP for Meerut Hapur, but there was a large section of members of the Muslim community who came out to vote. And could that become a deciding factor as well? So BJP's Arun Govil on one side, then we have BSP's Devvrat Tyagi and Samajwadi Party Congress, which is the Alliance, that has come out with regard to Sunita Verma. Listen into the reactions now. What did MP Hema Malini say? A hopeful MP, Arun Govil, I spoke to him early this morning, and other leaders in Uttar Pradesh seats.
I am very confident. My whole party is very confident. My whole entire, my workers, हमारे कार्यकर्ता लोगों ने इतना काम किया है. So I am very confident. So, and I have done a lot of good work in this place, which I feel very proud of doing things. Which many people who were a Sansad here could not do it.
हमने वो देखा भी है कि 10 सालों में मथुरा और वृंदावन की तस्वीर बिल्कुल बदल गई है. वो अथॉरिटी बनाने से लेके जो यहाँ का क्षेत्र है, पिलग्रिमेज का क्षेत्र, उसमें बहुत बड़ा फर्क आया है. तो वो मोदी योगी फैक्टर के तौर पे आप देखती हैं, अपनी परफॉर्मेंस के तौर पे देखती हैं, कैसा देखती हैं?
All three, because Modi ji is there, Yogi ji is there. Because of them, I am able to do it. If some other party and then I am a Sansad here, I don't think. Then you can blame me कि आपने कुछ नहीं किया. तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती हूँ. अभी मैं कर सकती हूँ तो मैं कर रही हूँ. तो that is why they have given me another 5 years. So I am very happy that whatever the work, see यहाँ पे it's a never-ending process to develop. Development means it is such an interesting job. As a woman, I feel कितना मज़ा आ रहा है ना, कितना कुछ कर सकते हैं हम. लेकिन हम जो सोचते हैं फटाफट वो कर नहीं सकते हैं. Then you need lot of people involved in this, any development. उसमें आगे पीछे थोड़ा देर होती है.
प्रक्रिया आप कह रही हैं.
मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं मेरठ से कैंडिडेट अरुण गोविल, जिनको हम ऑफ कोर्स जानते हैं श्री राम के किरदार में, लेकिन जिस तरह उन्होंने उस इमेज को बनाए रखा और अब नेता बनने के लिए भी तैयार हैं. आपका मेरठ से कोई नाता नया तो नहीं है, यही पैदा हुए हैं, पले बड़े हैं. मेरठ का लड़का आज वोट देने नहीं, वोट मांगने के लिए लोगों से रेडी है। किस तरह का ये मूड, आप सेंटिमेंट फील करते हैं अपने लिए आज जब आप नेता बन के यहाँ आए हैं मेरठ?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा पॉजिटिव जो रिस्पांस मिला है वो बहुत पॉजिटिव है। जैसे यहाँ के लोग बताते हैं कि पिछले चुनावों में जो इस बार हुआ है, जिस तरह से लोग बाहर निकले हैं रैलीज में और रोड शोज में, वैसा कभी यहाँ पहले कभी नहीं हुआ था। इस तरह का जो लिटरली जुनून है लोगों में, तो ये बहुत एक पॉजिटिव साइन है।
आपका श्री राम का किरदार होना, राम मंदिर बनना, आपको लगता है ये कहीं ना कहीं ये कनेक्ट बैठा है मेरठ के लोगों के लिए यहाँ पर?
ये कनेक्ट तो पूरे देश के लिए है बेसिकली, और क्योंकि मैं यहाँ हूँ तो डेफिनेटली ये कनेक्ट होगा जरूर।
रामायण सीरियल से और आर्टिकल 370 तक ऑडियंस से तो आपने कनेक्ट बना लिया, मेरठ के लोगों के लिए एज अ नेता आप मानते हैं कितना कनेक्ट बना है, बनेगा, और अपने ऊपर किस तरह की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप देखते हैं?
नहीं, कनेक्ट देखिए एज नेता तो मुझे नहीं पता मैं नेता हूँ भी कि नहीं, वो मुझे नहीं पता है।
तो कैसे आप आगे इसको ले जाएंगे?
नहीं, अब आगे देखिए, किसी भी चीज़ के लिए हम जो भी जनप्रतिनिधि होते हैं वो किस काम के लिए होते हैं? वो ये होते हैं कि उस स्थान की जो समस्याएं होती हैं, जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, या उस स्थान का जो विकास होता है उसमें अपनी सहभागिता दें, तो बस उसी तरह से काम हो।
एक सवाल ये है कि प्रधानमंत्री के भाषण को लेकर के बड़े सवाल उठ रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री ने जिस तरीके का भाषण किया कि महिलाओं के मंगलसूत्र तक कांग्रेस पहुंच जाएगी, वेल्थ रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा। आपको लगता है कि ये भाषण प्रधानमंत्री ने जो दिया है वो ठीक है, और कुछ इस तरह की बातें हैं?
ये तो उनको आज़ादी है ना, और मैं कौन हूँ जो कहूँ ठीक और गलत? चुनाव आयोग देखेगा। नियम के तहत उन्होंने अपनी बात रखी और उनके एक हक बनता है। देश को उन्होंने संदेश दिया और आगाह किया है कि क्या खतरे देश के सामने आ सकते हैं।
All right, so now let us tell you what Uttar Pradesh is looking like. Let me just take you back to 2019. Of the 8 seats of the second phase this time, 7 have been won by the Bharatiya Janata Party repeatedly. 1 went to the Bahujan Samaj Party. That's the reason BSP has made this a three-cornered contest, not joining the India Alliance this time as well and fielding their candidates. Now, who will it help? Will it help the BSP? Could it help the BJP and cut votes for the Congress SP? Because Congress SP, out of these 8 seats, have not had a leader as a representative elected to the parliament. Let me bring you the key candidates who, through the day, have either been hopeful and have been going across the booths. Now, of course, where I am reporting from, Meerut Hapur constituency, it's a large constituency. It had been a bastion of the BJP, last 3 times won by Rajendra Agarwal, but this time was fielded Arun Ram Govil, as I call him, because he has been known as the character of Lord Ram that he has played in Ramayan, has been a known actor, and he's got that ticket. So he's not a neta, but he's born and brought up in Meerut. So he knows Meerut and he's hopeful he will ride on the Modi-Ram factor. But against him is Samajwadi Party and BSP, three-corner contest. So that is one of the big candidates. Then let's go across to Gautam Budh Nagar, Noida, as we also call it. Mahesh Sharma again has repeatedly been able to win as a member of parliament. But will it be again an easy sale for him this time, or could an anti-incumbency come to face Mahesh Sharma, or will the Modi factor help him too? And third, let's go across to Mathura, because Mathura, again similar to Meerut, how an actor face has come in, was an actor face, an artist face, that was Hema Malini. Many thought if she may not get a ticket this time, but she was fielded. She was fielded, and she's hopeful that it's because of the work that she has done earlier. So these are some of the few candidates. She's, of course, against the Dhankar of the Congress party. So remains to be seen who people will choose as their leader in the parliament for the next 5 years.